Why? Because who cares about your t-shirts? Who cares about your logos and your blinged out phones? Like, who cares, right? Who cares about your book, your planner, your organizer? I've got all this stuff here on my desk. Yes, I just keep popping random stuff up. And no, I did not know I was going to do that. It's just all here. Okay, don't judge me. Got a giant desk. Okay. But who cares about the product if the product can't make the person relate? And so they were like, they love when I do this. I used to do this on live streams all the time. They're like, Tori, do it. And so I'm like, you want me to make you want this product? I can show you exactly how to do that. So it's not about the product. I'm going to tell a story. My mommy had me at 16. Yes, she did. She's a teenage mom. And she's amazing. She has property. She's built an incredible life for herself and for her daughter, which I'm like, I don't need or want your stuff. But her grandsons, okay, and their children. At 16, she did that. And people judged her, as you can imagine, that people do, especially in that time. She's born in the 60s. And so people judged her, and they did not think that she was going to be anything. And they certainly didn't have high hopes for me. And so I grew up, and she was really tough on me. And it was tough to be El Boogie's daughter, right? Because she had done these things, and she wanted to make sure that I did not do the same thing. And so I became an honor student. I became the debate champion. I became the extreme overachiever. And so people cheered me on all the time. Yeah, I was the pretty black girl. That's annoying, right? People cheered me on. But when I got the confidence and believed in myself, then that became a problem. Then I was, stuck up, or I thought too much highly of myself. And so that's always been this constant battle that I have struggled with in my life, like previously. Let's be clear about that now, right? I always struggled with which way am I supposed to be? You tell me to believe in myself and to make myself better and to learn everything and become the best that I can possibly be. And then I did it, and then I'm proud of myself and my achievements and my accomplishments, and I'm proud of my babies and my business and all of those things. And now I'm bougie and stuck up, and oh, she does Range Rover, she thinks she's this, it's like she owns homes. It's like, where is that balance? And so I wanted a place where women could feel like they could be that, and that they are that. That is you. That's who you are. There's nothing wrong with pursuing your dreams and your goals and wanting to be the best version of yourself. There's nothing wrong with being proud of it when you do make accomplishments at all. In fact, a step beyond that, I want a place where we can celebrate that together, and you can come in to the socialite and you can tell all your business besties about your wins, and no one is going to throw shade. No one is going to say anything negative. They're going to cheer you on. They're going to be so excited for you, and they're going to tell their friends and their family, oh my gosh, one of my socialite sisters did this, and that. That is what the Posh Girls Club represents. That's what we're about. We're about sisterhood. We are about, and so we're about a tribe and a connection. So when I drink out of my cup, and I have my cup sitting in my office, can't get it, there we go. It's the old logo. But when I have it in my office, and it's the only one I drink out of now, I have a collection of coffee cups. I'm obsessed with Betsy Johnson, but this one is very special to me because it represents my tribe, my girls. I think about them. I think about my community. It makes me happy. It makes me stay focused and know that there are people who are rooting for me too, and they aren't mad or jealous or angry or putting me down because I've done things. And they know that I want to make sure that they get that too. That's what I think of when I see this. So if you want to be a part of a community like that, yeah, come get with us. Okay? Tell a story.